Republic. I am Sevibian Sisa. A Doctor Matthew Upoku Prempe Napo. Mammy and she and Power baby. Running here. Napisminchia a era a chairman or den Hoko Kuapia Miamadine.
Oh, Chairman Coca.
Asante Makuka. Nhyira party phone na me share so phone na ma me share mo me am secretary.
So uni anso we super pass so share Nhyira so. We super pass.
Anani.
Oh, pe chairman cry party.
Okay. Enti ma me share so phone na say me fin share so. We say me no ka say nko for send.
The oyi nyina hu am boni dia hu.
O say
projects I would oyi nyina hu na me boni dia say hu ni papa.
So me share na.
Oh, okay. But I won't share the person. But what's the oh
yeah? Oh yeah. For boni din radio so I say enti oh say party ni ebi obi ekwan na to. Say party ni bi ekwan. Yenkoi. Me share friends saying serial callers in Sunyana. Senior, free primary health care. Almost on my lunch.
Ghana lunch.
Almost say.
And this is for no lunch. So oh, Finn, what can I You see, on my lunch is so many programs.
Sir,
I say, but implementation don't know, baby. It's a nay. Almost a lunch free primary health care. Fee last year, but which is 2025.
Yeah.
On my lunch, so many programs.
To complement
national
apprenticeship.
So
it doesn't mean that because the free primary health care has come,
1 million
you shouldn't get the national health
insurance.
You should still have the national health insurance card. But at the point of examination and
free tertiary,
the game changer, almost the game changer,
at the chips compound level, at the health kiosk level. You don't
but
need your NHIS
free tertiary
your
jubilation.
Nkwana ni jubilation. Kona ko bisa o.
Legon fu.
Me se kona ko bisa o.
We yen na
unim na wo kan. Sa dia wo kan the tertiary ni ade. Me no ka say. Unim say hostels ya tum. The fees o matum. Fees no unim so matum. It dey na we kan. Robin Peter to pay. Yeah the benkumu ma wa na e dey fa haji. It's no dear no. Because hostel fees and the and crown could be so mumu.
But at the point,
fees need a buying.
Now, no, I'm no more can. Who is a papa? You see, almost a couple, maybe almost a couple, sir. Never could cheer. A debate 3-4 months and then a baby family. And no, why need to be yes, apology.
To show that you're a Ghanaian and you're a resident,
no stress free someone when
to be able to
Abofrane enya admission okko first can bring no fan ko tua school fees na o sing hey ko bobo sen na fa ko tua 4-5 months time each asande baba bi tua no no policy we policy be no because yes na mo ne Ghana for kan ana mebwa muka che say unya admission ukọ na e discount action nsem how dey charge school fees but na yes say oh don't say me nka free one when you na dem ba we asel you see ano ana ekoso okrum ade so ko bobo say eti me ko fententa ma me bi wakoto ni koko o se me banya admission ukọ nkofo say free one when ni ade ye aba me ko ye say scan money na ya joba koko no so a yensen twa eye ne kai ne bana akafie bepem na me no kasai ha ne bana akafie it is all free no stress free so one when na wo kana masa enye bibia okrom awo yese ko bobo sen 4-5 months time na sa ensem no me Ghana for Ghana it's malanche implementation here poor it's a nay almost say omadwumawura and adwumawura na kwesi sen
but at the point
why no one so mama ne aya capital bi almost say oye why no
level at the health center level, at the chips compound level
and almost say the national apprenticeship one when here akwesi sen mumayen dia updates
or any form
you can launch the program but the implementation here some no ubeti ya launch you implementation here some no it's a nay omo ko launch ba ku bia no say the game changer omo de ye anwum okrom ha mmebunu tudi echire ana omo bonyum kwenkwen okrom ha the 24-hour economy today manate from Maxim to Zebila if on a 24-hour economy if on a 24-hour economy you're not from Maxim to Zebila
DVL is your marshal
and you may remember foul me akọ DVL office me akọ hweso mo ye adwuma okrom you can launch the program by implementation it is 24-hour economy and no nobody give to me today why is the 24-hour economy 133 who somebody on the clock see and our who clock no I'm say your mama catch say we ma 24-hour economy ba ko ye ba ko anopa awia ane anwumre today why is the 24-hour economy Ama impo dia asifime woman na say in 2026 2025 not budgetary allocation bi eni ho meboa in 2026 some the budget ato budget omo dey to 24-hour economy na omo say the game changer ebe bua ma Ghana economy akosoro ebe bua ma Ghana mabuno nya adwuma ye no and onim budget that 24-hour economy 110 million Ghana cedis 110 million Ghana cedis but and that free pad o se hwani no and na sa pad sem no mo che okrum ha no sa pad no sika ye twade to pad no ho sa sika no so chain de ye 24-hour economy and that omon kokon kitenketen no and then kokon kramate se bebrewu and then kokon kitenketen no as we speak sika mo twa some of the young kokon kitenketen no 200 million Ghana cedis a so chain the 24-hour economy no it is our program so mo launch ye no impact in the sign na omo so ma ko launch e free primary when healthcare free primary healthcare na ye ko hwe ya de omudi nipa betumu a ye se pragia hey baby o man wedu baby awiase edu no
we ni
ye se pragia
we ni tricycle ambulance
akokwa iti me bo
we a customized one for
akokwa ehye China for ntroy kwa
so mo na
China for ntroy
kwa we ni purposely
me ba iti akokwa wo hwemeni pa na ka no krekere woo na ya say ya the motorway and pragia ba bisi wo say dem ni afa onko hospital wo bedem
se meti kru kesi mu tie no hia me
yes wo bedem
meti kru kesi
da bi wo bedem pragia baby awiase adui way omaye yenye serious
no but
yenye serious president mama go my way ni
this tricycle this tricycle me kai say free mo pare mo time your time mo fa tricycles by say in fanko bua rural communities no, in terms of health care and no ye and no ye den try abobo ya de to da ho no ya abobo ya your time you brought me see establish fact be before
akokwa o man time one cause o
the time me reading Muhammad me whatever you see now had there is all about it's not about emotions, it's all about we dealing with the facts and all
facts na me dey ma
one me fact but they make sure say it's a replica of a policy that you people also brought na mo de abobo ya ya design BBS so e dey buy
we o mo de ko see
what's on the
omo ko lunch no
what's on ko lunch
omo lunch no Gruben mu no lunch Ghana
omo lunch ye we o de ma men kama
baby omo lunch me pese me hu baby omo ye omo ye we
na se BB distribute 300 ambulance ye lunch no we
omo ye won kran ana ana se kruma. You see
mama no see answer no baba I will let you land I will let you come in and remember 2 minutes na count but what I'm saying is that the abobo ya na a tricycle ni bia mo time mo de buy ya ni adua ye we yes so
me say no amount
maybe
justification
no maybe so
and I Ghana for
what was the reason for
and
that
I'm say no amount of justification from you and I Ghana for
no meba
you see mama
I'm asking you a question to say them bisa fin question say adentina mahama criminalize this ade na ne all support so I'm asking you a question adentina mo de sa abobo ya no a the buy say em fan kunkrase ne em fa nipa no e wa abobo ya no mo de buy
me you one you see and that baby I wiase ne kono
Jeff pema me why
mo betumi yaba me betumi yaba baby I wiase ne kono your mama free primary health care
I think it was 2023 or 2020
also de bregana o se de ohia na oga o se de ohia na Ghana card anambwa o se de ohia na Ghana card
yeah
but already MPP ni Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia this Ghana card and then unim say no assign your NHIS number unim sa unim
sir unim
sa na do dank Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia me say
it has been linked they can say they said they ma link me
fin mama ga sam jiro fin mama no so ta say
me na me bisa na sem tu de ma me bisa
so wa ban wedi bombe yi a me ka sam na kire wo wa ban wedi bombe yi
so let's establish
the Ghana card na wo ka ho asem no Ghana card na wo ka ho asem no na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wa ka ho asem de dada iti na wo ko eye hospital na wo ko hospital so sa link ne wo ho na wo Ghana card na esa kra ye wo NHI number. Next time you will snit. So to say,
they have unique numbers. No. Some of us are
the 10 number.
No.
Maybe
let's it's part of education. Yenchire mu say me MTN momo number ye kra me MTN number ma link it to Ghana card and kire say me number we wo Ghana card na ye me phone number me kwa say be provide number no the national health insurance card number no registration number wo but is linked to the Ghana card okwa obetro wo claim form no so or throw national health insurance number na wo claim form no so on show Ghana card number that is a fact at the hospital
we have to give them facts. I had a fact to tell us that link number na your Ghana card no to me represent wo NHI kata me samebo
a representative NHI
me say Ghana card I am one say I say me wan say munim yes I dey we you because minim say Ghana card no to me ya link am snit na your snit. So what I say? About Ghana card na. It me you details ni na ba. Ghana card number.
Any institution bia na ye link to. Ghana na be can say not all institutions there was a link.
Mama specific institutions di na mebo.
But at the health
and at the health na make catch no. And I make catch say. Nyame adum Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. O to me bomode my ye link e. And
no, me
and also
I do a part time at the hospital. I know what you are saying. But say without national health insurance number, claim simple. You have to provide your national health insurance number. That is a fact.
Even so hospital na na say bia ever say health insurance so what link with the Ghana card. It me use here no
I just say what hoping they have
and
your records
and I'm say and I'm say one link
hoping
where the strategy
no it's not but all the respond to me Fin Manengasa
wakasa be 30 minutes min kasa wa krom hai me kaka krabia te say Dr. Bawumia din na what is a me bono eno na ye omo ya no Dr. Bawumia din na what is a me bono eno na ye omo ya no so that say because Ghana card
so we are 2021 registered tricycles na e buy and another down ko kufuado de buy any bini enti eno na tricycle ambulance no enti uba Facebook away na buy Northern Development Authority procures 30 tricycle ambulance for health facility because the whole area na na M1 and your government this one's also came right okay twaso mami
where we okay
iti uko internet ne so a me ha me ho bebre because what is about Dr. Bawumia din no eno anti na why dey oye didi e wukrum ha say uko manjoy online mo amoyi
Dr. 38
friends mo amo ayi mo sister station uko on the 9th November 2020 Ghana card to replace NHIS card following integration of the digital platforms I account nyina bom no uko
policy in implementation
penny 9th November 2020
is it the practice at the hospital at the moment
penny here mon person make some of them can
no mean kind but I'm asking you questions
mon person because Adjei wow sister station my joy for no mo quote Dr. Bawumia and I make quote 2 amount
to lunch
so to say and adwuma okrom ha adwuma okrom ha ije me wan say go to a friend in the hospitals and go check So that's it. And then you see
where I have worked.
This strategy.
And I make catch this thing you cannot run away from.
And I'm say wow sister station. And I'm a year now. Say in first in November 2020. You can say no never replace your NHIS.
You can say.
And you say implementing so.
Right.
So that's it.
No, I like the statement.
You can say. And I say Ghana card 2. So that's 2. And you implementing no. What are you talking about?
So read the implementation.
Oh, me here no summer. Masa.
Okay, we that
no, the strategy.
I don't want you to come
distract me, you know.
What
can about 20-30 minutes? Oh, your mommy bear 5-10 minutes here. Who distract us?
It's between me and him. That is why I may query on one. So let him continue. Yeah.
Dr. Baumia didn't keke no. I don't know how o madwene. Ba mo ntia sese. Enei me no ka say o NHI no. Dr. Baumia daroma. No so utumi tenafie. Utumi renew. Inka ne na dey true. Na dey ne koso okum ha.
Na just call office.
I saw office. Now ko nyansa ne akwa renew. Ebedu be 3-4 months ansa na. Dr. Baumia say instant for phone. Na ye.
It was a good thing. Yeah.
Then now we challenge you health insurance of you.
He did.
Then I'll be challenging you. It say what Dr. Baumia didn't now be distract me amasa. Just say Ghana for GD or papa nimo. And now what is zip line by? E dey na manka okrum ha.
Right.
Or this zip line by okrum ha. Dey na manka. And the zip line akosi say.
Dey na ko baba.
What's rural areas? Dr. Baumia gene konkan. So that say odwene konkan. And odwene konkan no say ma me fa zip line bra. Emebua na sa eye inro delivery ni ade no na friends the rural areas no so omo ho hinha wo mu kakra and na wuti krom hey and na wuti krom hey zip line akosisen and then mo buy omo friend bring it to and bring it to and nam krom deliver inro emema eye nkrofo no and then mo buy ndc for mo sini trase egu and no me gu no because already MPP dey ba in 20 year dey ba no omo kata say sa de ne ade ba ne ye de ko tsabi ye de ko twitwa ma de gem and then what betena ka say free primary health care for the rural one free one for one sa de we wo si ye de ko twitwa ma de gem o iti ene pragia no so amode aba krom oh enza na mo kan ana bi zo enza no kan ah ene pragia o di abi rade nyakopo man we baby edu pa ye pragia na grofo jina ono mani age na president mama so ni age on my way they are turning and color TV akoto black and white. So that's it. You can clearly see. Yes, you can clearly see. Say, on my launch so many programs.
Yeah.
Ghana.
Yeah.
By implementation here.
Poor.
Who baby? On programs on my launching in from Krenga to Krenga. Unya impact be our minus.
Right.
Unya.
Right.
Adia ba kwa misi mebunu ja ho adaje koto abama wo mu esa edwuma ba kwa because to be accountant yes ye ba be fa accountant ninu aka ne ho a wo a won to abama president mama but na ba ye die na tie atonsuom atonsuom so that say na atonsuom oh
right
fin
fin
the strategy and is for strategy no
wo de
ba fa wo mu
enyahwe brahman
you do me distract me so that say because what by no we di bomb yi oba ye health insurance health nsem bia wase no ama ne kura no agenda 111 dey na kosie
right
agenda 111 no kacha me dey na kosie na me kotia o say ai friends saying ye be fa nkrofo nurses adwuma mi ni ade na aban dada no eja o mu gu ho me say unemployment wo krom hanu nyina no say ye probi de sobo abona Domahama the first time I obedi mampeni Domahama na say de sobo no unemployment wo Ghana nyina ye fa to bo no
unemployment rate at the time
you know uni bibi abotre
fin mankasa
between 2012 to 2016 next so mu we school Domahama fa wo eteki na nado danko akufado in 2018-2019 and o recruit wo mo it is enka wo fa wo mo penso e kana na akufado ba enko obeto backlogs obeto all these backlogs and o recruit wo mo baako ye ka kire nurses fo ne eye ya kire fo se monto abama MPP na ye see hospitals ni bebre akaka kra bi ni ate yensa firi ho iti munti ni esisi this hospital se na mbenya baby aye den aye adwuma
Right.
But today, in Crawford by hospitals and another down Kufado charts in Nina, who say, and no major Nina Makenrim. Okay. I'm a Nempo Agenda 111 hospital, my name.
Let me give you 2 minutes on Baba Mando.
Make us
our time is up.
Make us a and then Unim Agenda 111.
Can the opposite okay?
There be Agenda 111 and Unyampa. Unim say be a trailer car park. Trailer car park.
Fine.
Go to what Okorimampo. Yet the year trailer car park, a view or a bumpire, a view high bumpire. Crow obesity hospitals they employ nurses and Agenda 111.
Right.
They trailer car park.
A minute on
first say Baba Mando and the mini things say Can you imagine? And the Malik Basin tell you also ke because maybe as atam no correct. Because no to me no to me echo far a friend saying Dr. Baumia picture the damn vice president vice president of Tiagunyaso find the picture and of far a prekuti at the tone in some and all the wine air a shen in some and a control haram say ke you will be china eka basin telling about this and go we ada but the kofa do na mo say ono no oye kebi and kebi o ma won kasa no na penso na sanema we nyina koso a ye nchi obi a okrum but today John Mahama o say dey LGBTQ obi aka ho asem ye nkoche no President Mama ye ready obechi ye nyina egum yes because President Mama wo share Ghana for bo wo dey nya political gains e okrum say this LGBTQ wo oba ne oba sign in term kra
okay
John Mahama ne kan John Mahama ne kan wo dey ye campaign and John Mahama go Assemblies of God for nyina ni mo ase we go manu ase say enye priority it will be ko kan ya John Mahama NDC for any omkrofo say yenko che no say adan we or the fence and colors be edra mampani ho ne nkrofo ho ntie no yenko ko che no can you imagine baby o mind do no
ade a o portray no
baby o portray dem
or they train ni
portray dem
like there's a lot against this information and the false publication.
Me say they no portray.
So portray so
enyo man this etia eye nana do danko akufo ado ni Nhyira Baumia. Me say ke ye chi akechi obi egu mu.
Right.
Ye chi ye KMC ye chi akechi and this phone nyina egu mu.
Okay.
Ba akufo ado de no ye. Ba mu no enam ba ye no. Hey, we just a small people near the mamu.
Okay.
See a kasi ye mamu de mo de ma ye na. Kabarista ma tumre mo ja o man ho. Because President Mahama when your political gains from Sanya Mana or boys in the year went to Omofo.
Right.
And now see Yankoche Wire. Baba Mando.
Medase.
So I had here. So won't sign gay near the own sign and wait Yankon Cocheno. And the President Mama only nasum. You can't Samakasi.
Right. Medase, Mame, Emfa, few calls, Kakrana.